guys, welcome back to my channel. I cannot believe that I am posting a Sephora VIB Rouge Sale haul in August. This is like unheard of. This is like when people say, when pigs fly. This is that moment, people. Pigs are flying. For those of you who are looking at me and you're wondering why my face looks hella greasy, that's because I just came home from a facial and there's tons of oil on my face. And for those of you who are lazy like me when it comes to skincare, let me just say something. I love skincare. I love skincare. And for those of you who love skincare, make sure you subscribe to my channel because literally the next little slew of videos is just skincare after skincare after skincare after skincare. So I got you, girl. You just stay tuned. But like I was saying, I'm very lazy when it comes to my skincare, so the fact that I went to get a facial, for me to put on makeup and then know I have to take it off again when someone already cleaned my face, nuh-uh, honey, nuh-uh. I'm staying like this. Today I'm showing you guys all of the goodies I picked up at the Sephora VIB Rouge Sale. I feel very disoriented, you know, like how can there be a sale in August? I'm not complaining. Oh honey, I'm not complaining. But I'm just saying it feels very weird because I'm so used to posting these videos once in April, once in November, and my November video was always huge and just like tons of money spent. If you haven't seen any of my previous Sephora hauls, I will link them in the description box below because I have so many and I always go crazy ham every time I purchase during the sale. This sale totally caught me off guard. I had no idea it was coming. Honestly, I was just sitting at work, minding my own business, doing my job, and all of a sudden one of my coworkers messaged me on our work chat and was like, what are you gonna get at the Sephora sale? And I'm like, it's all the way in November. I don't need to decide right now. And she goes, no, it's like next week. And I'm like, what are you talking about? So I put on my private investigator hat and became the little detective that I am. And I went online and I typed in Sephora VIB Rouge Sale August 2018. And much to my dismay, there were all these articles about the fact that Sephora was having some kind of beauty appreciation insider sale. I don't know, whatever. All I know is that VIB Rouges were getting 20% and I think the VIBs were getting 15% and the beauty insiders are getting 10% off, I guess, this mid-year sale. To my knowledge, this is the first time Sephora's ever done anything like this. Like I mentioned, I only ever buy big quantities of makeup during their sales, either in April for their 15% off or November for their 20% off. When she told me, I started to panic a little bit, honestly, because I was like, usually around October, the end of September, the beginning of October, I will start working on a list. I will start researching, watching other people's hauls, kind of deciding what I want to purchase at the sale and doing my big bulk purchase. So when she told me, no, the Sephora sale is happening and 20% is coming, and I'm like, what? Sephora only sent me the email notifying me of the sale on the 22nd. Do they understand that I need time to plan? I need time to research. I need time to get my stuff together. I need time to warn my husband that a sale is coming. You don't understand. When you guys are married and you combine your income, you can't just, you know, blow your money on things anymore. For me, I need time. I need time to be nice to him. I have to like coax him up a bit, you know, I have to be nice to him for like about a few weeks before the sale, make sure we're all good, make sure I've done everything that makes him happy, and then hit him with the sale. And then when he sees the receipt, he won't be as mad because you've been so nice to him. Word of the wise, guys. There you go. Marriage advice. I'm just kidding. You should be nice to your husband all the time. No, seriously though, so when she told me, I really started to feel like a little bit of a panic because I'm like, usually I take a lot of time and I research and I just take my time to really decide what products I'm gonna get. And I felt like there were definitely products that I needed. I didn't want to have to wait till November, especially because I wanted to pick up some products that I picked up here and I wanted them before November. So it worked out really well. I was really happy, but I was shocked that Sephora had let other people announce it, like on beauty websites and like on Trend Mood's Instagram it was there, but on their actual Instagram nothing was there and they didn't send the email till 2 days before the sale. I will say, in my last Sephora haul video, I did mention how I was upset with them because I felt like they didn't really appreciate the VIB Rouges. So I like the fact that based on your status you get a different percentage off. I think that's fair and I think that's reasonable because people who spend $1,000 should not be getting the same discount as people who spend, you know, $20 or $100. And I like the fact that they decided to throw in this extra sale. My husband does not like the fact because that's just extra money that we weren't planning on spending. But I really do like the fact that they decided to throw in this sale. I just wish that they had told us earlier so that I could really have gone through my list and kind of decided what I wanted without feeling so rushed. Especially because the VIB Rouge Sale, you can only purchase one time using the discount online. Every other time is in store. And I've hardly been to Sephora stores lately, so for me it's just easier to shop online. For those of you who have been with me since the beginning of my hauls, you will know that I used to start off with like a little bit, and as the hauls progressed, the amount of products I bought kept increasing and increasing and increasing. Today, I will tell you that my product amount isn't that much. It was still a hell of a lot of money because you buy one freaking product at Sephora and it's like already $100. So I mean, come on, there's not really a way to keep your budget down even when it's a sale. But I didn't buy that many products. I was trying to be really selective with what I bought, really think about if I needed the product, and at the same time I didn't really research like I mentioned, so I didn't get everything that I wanted to get. The sale is until September 3rd, so if I find something else that I want to get, I'll just go grab that, or I'll wait till, hopefully they still have the November sale. I'm assuming they're still going to have the November sale. They can't just take away the November sale and give us August. So I'm assuming there's going to be November, and if at that point I need more, I'll just pick up more at that time. Okay, so let's get into it. The first thing that I got, this is the one reason, honestly, this product alone is the reason why I was so excited that Sephora was having their 20% off sale in August, only because I was thinking, damn, I need more of this product and I have to wait until November to get it, especially because we're leaving for Hawaii on September 1st, which I should say I feel really bad for what's happening in Hawaii right now. As of right now, I think we're still going, but I have to wait and see, I guess, closer to the date to see if our plans and our flight and our accommodation gets canceled. But praying for everyone in Hawaii and hoping that Hurricane Lane does not do as much damage as they say that she's going to do. So prayers and thoughts to everyone in Hawaii. That's like on a serious note. I really am thinking of all of you guys. Back to this. I wanted to pick up this product because this is a product, guys, that you need to be using all year long. Skincare tip. People think that you're only supposed to wear sunscreen in the summer. That is so far from the truth. You should be wearing sunscreen even in the winter, every single day when you are outside. There are still UVA and UVB rays coming through even in the winter. Even if it's like a dull day outside, the rays are still coming through. And so it's so important that you have a really good facial sunscreen. For those of you who are looking for a sunscreen, I would definitely recommend this one. This is the Josie Maran Argan Daily Moisturizer. It has an SPF of 47. And one of the things that I love about this moisturizer is the pure fact that even on my skin tone, it does not look ashy or it doesn't look white. It doesn't leave that white cast that other sunscreens leave. I have tried so many sunscreens, guys, so many, and so many of them leave a white cast, especially on my brown skin. It looks so bad. It leaves like a gray tinge. It just looks really, really bad. So every time I go to the States, I pick up a bulk of this, only because in Canada, they only sell the small size. So this size is the 60 milliliters. But I believe in the States, if you order, you get the 120 milliliters. And because you need to be using this all the time, what I do is I'll stock up on the 120 and I'll use that at home. And then whenever I travel anywhere, I'll take the 60 milliliters and take that with me so that, you know, if it breaks or if anything happens, it's okay. And also I can throw this in my hand luggage. I can't throw the 120 milliliters into my hand luggage. Definitely, I would recommend that you guys get this and try it out. It is a product that will work wonders for your skin. It feels really light on the skin. It has a really beautiful silky texture. And on top of that, it has a really nice scent. This is my favorite facial sunscreen that I've ever used. I also like it because the texture of it isn't too heavy. It's a lightweight moisturizer. So if you're putting this on top of your serum for when you go to work or anything like that, you're still going to be able to have a face that's not like super oily or super thick or super rich. It's just enough that it leaves the coverage for you, but it doesn't make your skin feel any type of heaviness or any type of greasiness. I decided I wanted to try some new foundations just to change up my makeup routine a bit and change up my videos a bit so that you guys aren't always seeing the same products. So I decided that I wanted to try the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation. This product has been getting a lot of buzz, not always the best kind of buzz, but I wanted to try out for myself because looking on Sephora, when I was looking up the videos of it, I thought that it looked really nice on the model's skin. I don't know if you heard about the whole trend mood scandal. I'm not going to get into it about how the colors looked orange, but guys, I bought this color, so I went online and I kind of based my color off of the girls who were there to see who was closest to my color. I found this color, and I don't know if you can tell, but the sticker actually does look orange. Like, it legitimately looks orange. Like, this looks nothing like my skin tone. The actual sticker looks very orange. So I can definitely see why in the picture people were freaking out, and I don't know if that's I don't know what's going on, but my skin ain't orange. This is what it looks like in the packaging, and this is what it looks like in the sticker. So obviously that's very different. This color is 3.75. So for those of you who have never seen this foundation, I think it's so creatively packaged. You have a lock little switch over here so that when you want to open the foundation, you open up the lock, and when you don't, you just kind of close it, which is perfect for traveling. So love that. Here's the little button that you press at the top, like this. You just press it down. Probably my most favorite part of this is because I am someone who definitely would appreciate this, because all of my foundations, I have to put the foundation either onto a brush or a beauty blender or a palette first before I put it onto my face, is the fact that when you press it, the foundation comes over here and then you just dab your beauty blender and you put it on. I think that's so genius. In terms of packaging, this is probably the best packaged foundation I've ever seen. The second foundation that I picked up was the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I feel like everybody and their mama and their brother and their sister's sons, cousin, daughter, sister's dogs, friend, cats, mouse said that this foundation was amazing. Everybody is talking about this foundation. So I said, okay, I need to get on this. I need to try it out. So this is the color Brulee. For those of you who haven't tried it, this is what the packaging looks like. Very sleek, very Too Faced, and it's a pump foundation. It's a medium to full coverage foundation, and apparently it's oil free. I'm really excited to try it. I love a good foundation, especially one that really goes with my skin tones, all the yellow undertones that I have in my skin. So if you guys want to see like on any of these products, but especially the foundations that I showed you, if you want to see like a review or any type of first impressions kind of video, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll for sure do that for you guys. To match the Too Faced foundation, I decided to go in with the Born This Way concealer, and this is a super coverage, and I got the color Warm Sand. As you can see, it looks identical to the foundation. This is the foundation here, and this is the concealer. It's just like a thinner, longer version. I like the applicator. It reminds me a lot of Tarte Shape Tape, that really thick applicator. I really like that because it's just like with one swipe you can get where you need to go. You don't have to put multiple swipes. I love the NARS Creamy Concealer, but like that one, for example, the applicator on that is a lot smaller, so I go in multiple times. But with like Tarte Shape Tape or this, you just go in once and it's big enough that it covers the whole region. I'm really excited to try this concealer because I have heard so many good things about this one as well. So one of the things that I've shown you on my channel before, I use this all the time when I do my eyebrows. This is the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. It just looks like this. I use it all the time to set my brows. I love it, and I go through it so much that I decided that I was just gonna pick up a backup. Moving on. So now we are going into Fenty Beauty. I picked up this eyeliner. I realized that I haven't done eyeliner looks on my channel for a really long time. When I first started doing YouTube videos, I used to do eyeliner with every single look that I did, and then I went into this phase where I did no eyeliner, and I've been in that phase and I still haven't gotten out of it. But the other day I reached for an eyeliner. I wanted to go do my eyeliner, and all of the liquid eyeliner pens that I had were dry. So I'm like, okay, that shows that I haven't done eyeliner for a really long time and I need to get a new one. So I decided to go with this one. This is the Flyliner by Fenty Beauty. It has this really cool metallic packaging. This is in the color black in this like triangular shape. And then when you open it up, it has this pen-like shape in terms of the applicator. I'm really excited to try this. When you find an eyeliner that works for you and one that helps you get the precision that you want when creating an eyeliner look, that's just priceless. I picked up two of these magnificent metal glitter and glow liquid eyeshadows. I love this stuff. I've talked about these before on my channel. I think that they are so beautiful. So this is the color Molten Midnight, and I'll just do a swatch for you guys. It is, oh my god, like come on, how could you not? And the other color I picked up was Next to Naughty. What does that mean? N-O-T-T-E. How do you pronounce that word? Look at that. So beautiful. Oh my god, I want to do my makeup right now. These are so gorgeous. I've used these before. I love them. I can never say anything bad about them. I mean, they are expensive. Don't get me wrong. I know these are expensive, and that's what sucks about them, because for an eyeshadow, it's a lot. But I can never see you running out of them, and they honestly are worth it. They are so well made. They are so well formulated. I really like Stila as a brand. I think they're a really good brand, and I really like their stuff. Everything I've tried from them, I've really liked so far. Definitely, oh my god, if you guys are looking for glitter eyeshadows, rather than having to deal with the whole like glitter pot and all that, that is so 1990s. Let's move on to convenience. So these are perfect. Guys, When I told you that I didn't buy a lot this year, I'm serious. We're on the last product. I think something must be wrong with me. How did I not buy any more things? I still can't get over how beautiful these are. Oh my god. So the last item I picked up is a skincare item. And like I mentioned earlier, I'm being 100% serious, guys. I'm doing a whole bunch of skincare videos. I have a facial dry brushing video coming up. I have how to use the jade roller video coming up. A facial massage video coming up. Skincare routine in the morning. Skincare routine at night. All of those videos that you guys have been requesting to me for so long are finally coming up. So make sure you are tuned in, make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow me on Instagram at ruthrchin, because I also notify you guys there when my videos go up. The next thing that I picked up was one of the tools that I wanted to feature in one of my videos, and this is called Gua Sha. I got it in rose quartz. This is what it looks like. It's just basically a facial massaging tool. So you take it, the ridges of it, and you use it to massage your face, kind of get rid of the toxins in your face, awaken the lymphatic drainage, all of that fun stuff. You never want to use this on dry skin. Your face needs to be oily, so you need to have like a serum or something on your skin to help it glide. I do Gua Sha when I go to the Chinese store. Many of you know that my husband is Chinese, so I go to the Chinese store with his grandmother, who I call Japo a lot, and I've tried it there before. Right now I've been doing facial massaging with my fingers and with the jade roller, but I wanted to get a tool where I can actually show you guys how to do it with an actual tool for those of you who might not feel comfortable using your fingers, or for whatever reason you just want to see how to use this. This one is from Mount Lai, I believe it's called, and I just picked this up on Sephora. It's a good company. I researched it. I made sure to get it. One of the things that I do want to tell you guys in terms of like jade rollers and any type of skincare item for your face, especially tool, make sure that you take the time to research the tools before you actually buy them. A lot of times people might think, oh, that's too expensive, you know, like that's 40 bucks for that jade roller, or that's 60 bucks for that jade roller, when I found one for $20. Just because the one is $20 doesn't mean that it's necessarily good. You want to make sure that you trust the company that you're getting it from. I got my jade roller from Province Apothecary. If you use the code RUTHCHIN, you get 15% off, and that's where I got my jade roller, and that's where I also got my facial dry brush, because I know and trust their products. I wouldn't just go to any store where a jade roller is like $20 and just get that, because you can't trust the materials, and it might actually be doing more harm to your skin using bad materials and tugging on your skin rather than using the materials that you're actually supposed to be using, like jade and rose quartz. I can't believe I'm done. I'm really upset. Usually my haul videos, if you watch like any of my other haul videos, they're like 30 minutes. Like you need to grab a snack. You need to get comfy. And here I am, and I'm done. This is crazy. This is like the quickest video I've ever filmed. Now I'm regretting buying little. I feel like I should have bought more. Anyways, I need to be saving for a house. My husband's been lecturing me, saying that I spend too much money, so I guess this will make him happy. I hope you guys really enjoyed my video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I have so many other VIB Rouge Sale haul videos that I will link in the description box below, so make sure you check them out. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to join my YouTube family. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Don't ever forget you are so beautiful. Bye, guys!